Hello, Hamna. Please unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, have you got the picture, Abdullah? Now look at question number 75. Yes, Abdullah. Hamna, have you got the screenshot?
Yeah. Yes, ma'am, I got it.
Okay, fine. Now look at question number 75. Okay. So this one I'm solving. So 2 by n, right? Then plus, it's minus here. No, it's plus. Now 4 minus. Oh, I've written wrong. First is 1 by n, then you have 2 by n, then you have 4 minus 3 by n, and so on, right? You have to find the sum of n terms. Okay, so you know the formula. So you can directly use this one, n by 2 and a plus l, but you don't know the last term. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, so we don't know the last term here, so we can use other formula. Anyway, so here the first term a is this, right? 4 minus 1 upon n. And how do you find the common difference? So I'm subtracting this term minus this term. So 4 minus 2 by n, and then minus 4 minus 1 by n. Clear? Now you open the bracket. So 4 minus 2 by n. Now minus 4 and minus minus plus 1 by n. So this 4 will cancel out. And so now you have 1 upon n and minus 2 upon n. Is it clear? Now you take LCM. So n, 1 minus 2. So that means minus 1 upon n. So your common difference D is minus 1 upon n. Is that okay, Hamna?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so what will be the last term? Can you guess of this AP?
The last term.
See, you have to find the sum of n terms. Understand? This is first term, so it is 1 by n. Then second term is 2 by n, right? Third term, 3 by n. So the last term is going to be 4 minus n upon n, isn't it? Yes? See, in this particular question, you can easily write the last term yourself by understanding the pattern. This is your first term, 1 by n, right? Second term, you have 2 by n. Then third term, then you have here 3 by n. So that means the nth term is going to be, so if I want to write the nth term or the last term, I'm calling it L. So it is going to be 4 minus n upon n. Is it fine, Hamna?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so that means 4 minus, so n upon n is 1. That means 3. So the last term is 3. So now you can directly use this formula. Sum of n terms is n by 2 a plus l, because now you know the last term. So if you put this in the formula, so sum of nth term will be n by 2. Okay. And then you have a plus l. Is it clear? So you have n by 2. See how many terms are there that you don't know, but the last term you know. So you will keep this n. Now a. So the first term was 4 minus this 1 upon n. So 4 minus 1 upon n plus l. So plus 3. Then you can take LCM and solve it. So n by 2. Now here take LCM n. So this is 4n minus 1 plus 3n. Right? So that means,
How did you get? How did you get the last term?
so that was I was saying, Abdullah. Now understand the pattern here. The given series is this: 4 minus 1 upon n, right? Plus 4 plus 2 by n plus 4, sorry, minus here, 4 minus 3 by n plus, and so on. See, this is first term, so you have 1 here, 1 by n. Second term, you have 2 by n. Third term, 3 by n. So that means the nth term is going to be having n by n, isn't it?
Okay, so means the last term is 3.
Yes. So if you write this 4 minus n by n, so that means this is 3. Right? So now this n will get cancelled out. And this 4n plus 3n is 7n minus 1 divided by 2. So this is the sum of nth terms of this. Clear? Now 76th question, you try please. This is easy. And tell me the answer quickly. Martin, can you hear me now?
Yeah, I am.
Okay, please check your WhatsApp, Martin. I have shared some previous year questions. Please start solving them and ask me if you're not able to solve it. You can open your NCRT and look at the formula. Please keep your book open and try to solve it. Hamna, what is the answer of 76th question?
Ma'am, I'm doing.
Okay. Yes, Abdullah. 76th question.
Ma'am, 1 minute, I'm doing it.
See, I just want to say one thing in just question number 75, which we just did. So you can also use this formula, right? Sorry, this is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d for sum of nth term. Is it clear? Because we also know d in this question. So if you don't want to guess the L, the last term, you can simply put d here, and a you already know. So from here also you can obtain the answer. Is it okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ma'am, I got N in 76.
How
It's
much is n?
16.
N is 16 you are getting. Yeah, that's fine. So you got n. Now find the
Yeah, D, I'm finding D.
hmm. Hamna, have you got it? Yeah, so d will be in fraction. How much is your d?
8 by 3.
Yeah, that's right. 8 by 3. Now do the next question. Martin, have you got this?
Yeah, I'm doing it, ma'am.
Hamna,
Yes, ma'am.
have you got this? 76?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now start doing 77. Yeah, Martin, should I help? See, this one is very easy. You know that sum of n terms is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Is it fine, Martin?
Yes.
Okay, now two things are given here. Sum of first 7 terms. So that means S7 is 49, right? And then it is given sum of 17 terms is also given, that is 289. So you are going to get two equations from here. So if you write S7, so you put n is equal to 7 in this formula. So that means 7 by 2 into 2a plus 7 minus 1 into d, and this is equal to 49. Is it fine? So in place of n, only 7 I have written. So 7 divided by, so you can do one thing, you take this 2 here on this side. So here I have 2a plus 7 minus 1 is 6d, and this 2 I am multiplying with 49, and this 7 I'm bringing here. Fine. Now 7 into 7 is 49. Yeah, so 2a plus 6d is equal to, now 7 into 7 is 49, so 2 into 7 is 14. Then throughout you can divide by 2. So this will become a plus 3d is equal to 7. So this is your equation number 1. Similarly, you will obtain one equation from here. Please obtain it and then solve the two linear equations and find the value of a and d. Please do it.
I missed this in the RD Sharma book.
I don't know. These is, I mean, I have collected these questions. These are previous year's questions, so it's not necessary that they are in Ardisham also.
Okay, ma'am.
But this kind of question are there in Ardisham, okay? We have also done so many questions of this type. Hamna, have you completed? What is the value of a? Yes, Hamna. How much is A and D here? Okay, Martin, what is the next equation?
Uh,
I can't hear you.
78, right? 78.
No. See, you have to find the second equation also, Martin. Question number 77. See, S7 was 49, right? So if we put 7 in place of n, so we got this equation number 1. So it is also given that the sum of 17 terms is 289. So that means if you put n is equal to 17 in the formula, understand? Is equal to 289. Is it fine?
Yes, ma'am.
So this will give you the second equation. Just solve it. Okay. So this 2 I'm taking this side. So 2 into 289 and the 17 I'm bringing in the denominator. So here I'm left with only 2a plus 17 minus 1 is 16d, right? Okay. So this is perfect square of 17, I think. 17 into 17 is 289, right? As far as I remember. 49. Okay. 7 and 4, 11. Then 7 and 1. So 9, 8, 289. Yes. So 17 into 17, right? So this is 17 and 2 into 17 will be 34. So you get 2a plus 16d is equal to 34. Then you can take 2 throughout, you can divide by 2. So it will be a plus 8d is equal to 17. This is your equation number 2. Is it fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now you will solve the equation number 1 and 2. So there are two variables, a and d. So you can just subtract equation 1 from 2 and you will get your a and d. Please tell me. So you will subtracting, let's say we are subtracting 1 from 2. Clear? So how do we subtract? First you write 2. So a plus 8d is equal to 17. Then you write your first equation, a plus 3d is equal to 7. Now because you are subtracting, so you will change the sign. And this is also minus. So a minus a, 0. And 8d minus 3d, so you get 5d. 17 minus 7 is 10. So that means here d is 10 by 5. So that means d is equal to 2. Fine.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, now you can put the d in any equation. So putting in 1. So if I put back in 1, so a plus 3 into d. So 3 into 2 is equal to 7. So a will be 7 minus 6. So that means a is equal to 1. So your a is 1, d is 2.
Oh, okay. Now, can you show the 78 count? Can't see it.
70, the previous one.
78, the question.
Okay. So this was 77. Okay, let's do 78 then.
The question. Write the question also.
Okay. Are you having a mobile with you right now? Yeah, Martin.
Yeah, ma'am.
So actually I've shared on your WhatsApp, that's why. So you can, if you have your mobile in hand, so you can keep that with you. The question is how many
Okay.
terms of the AP? So the AP is this 65 60, 55, and so on be taken, right? So that the sum is 0. All right. So how many terms means you want to find n, right? N you don't know, and the sum is going to be 0 in this case. Is that clear? So you
Yes,
use,
ma'am.
yeah, so you use the formula for Sn. Sn is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, right? So let us find out how much is a and d. So a is 65, the first term, and d is so 60 minus 65. So that means minus of 5. Is that okay? Okay. So now the sum has to be 0. So if the sum is 0, then what is the value of n? You have to find that. 2 into 65 plus n minus 1. Now d is minus 5. Now please solve this and find the value of n. Okay, let me help you. So you can cross multiply. This 2 into 0 will become 0 is equal to n. 2 into 5 is 10. Carry 1, 12, 130. And then you have, okay, so this plus and the minus plus minus will become minus. Is that clear? Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So be careful with the sign here, okay? So 0 is equal to, and also if you can bring this n in the denominator, it will also become 0. Is it okay? So you only have 130
Ma'am.
and minus, now put a bracket please, because you have minus outside. So 5 into n is 5n and minus of 5, right? Okay. So 0 is equal to 130 minus of 5n minus minus plus of 5. Now you can solve this now. So this is 0 is 135 and minus of 5n. Bring this 5n here. And then n is 135 divided by 5. So your n will be how much? 5 into 2 is 10 and then 35. So 27. Okay.
So you have to find n.
Hamna, are you here? Okay, anyway, Hamna, you can keep on solving, and if you face any problem, just type or ask me the question number, then I'll solve it. Now, 79th question is you have to prove. So please try to prove it. First of all, find out S1, S2, S3, and then you can show that S1 plus S3 is equal to twice of S2. Martin, how many chapters you have revised so far?
I revised AP and the only thing I have like a problem in is like surface area.
Surface
Again,
area. See, Martin, surface area is, formula based directly. But you have to be very accurate with the calculations, and that you can improve only with practice. So please, like try to solve
sure.
more and more. Yeah. And you people are free. I mean, you can send me the picture of the question if any question you are not
Yes,
able to
ma'am.
solve. See, if you are not able to solve any question, so you can ask me anytime.
The
Yeah.
assignment right from last class.
Last class, yeah, I gave an assignment also.
Oh
So
yeah, yeah. Can I send that one? Just like,
Okay, right now you do this AP. I'll send that again.
Sure.
See, on Learnivio portal, they have uploaded chapter wise the previous year questions. Okay. Please open your portal and have a look. And from there you can practice. Yes, Martin. Have you solved any question? Martin, any doubt so far? Hamna, do you want to ask something? Yes, Martin. Please unmute yourself.
Yeah, ma'am.
Question number 79. Have you done it?
Say answer. I'm not sure. Can you like show the question?
How will I show? Actually, I've shared with you on your WhatsApp. Okay, just 1 minute. I think I can. So you didn't tell me, Martin. Now, can you see that? Anyway, Martin, see today this is your homework. Please try to solve as many questions as you can from this assignment. And you can send me the question number, whichever you are not able to solve, so that we can discuss it, okay?